Exam tip for FCE Lesson 1. FCE Speaking Test. The day of the exam. There are 4 parts in the FCE Speaking Test. This lesson's exam tip will be about speaking part 1. In this part, the examiner asks you questions. You reply to the examiner, individually, you, then the other student, or the other student, then you. There is no talking with your partner, the other student. Each of you will talk for about 2 minutes. This first part is considered a warmer, as it should help you to feel more relaxed for parts 2, 3 and 4 of the speaking test.
To prepare for this part, you can learn vocabulary and set phrases about your hobbies, I am keen on. I enjoy spending time ... or your work and or education. My job title is I work as a I have been with the same company for. Your friends and family, my siblings. Your holidays, vacation, to travel. Your sports, I practice sports, I do sports, the sports I enjoy are. Your future plans, I would like to, I am thinking of, I will, I am going to. Useful phrases for asking for clarification. Sorry, I'm not sure what you mean. I don't, really, understand. Can you say that again, please? I'm not, quite, sure what I have to do. Can I ask a question? May I ask you something? Do you want me to? Useful phrases for correcting yourself. What I mean is. What I meant was. What I'm trying to say is. I would like to rephrase that. I would like to rephrase my statement. Could I rephrase my answer? Advice. Do not get stressed. Remain polite, please, may I? Could you? Thank you. Ask for clarifications. Use the grammar and vocabulary the examiner uses in his or her questions, i.e., do you like eating spicy food? Yes, I really like eating spicy food. How much should you speak? Answer the question. Then add 1 or 2 more details each time. I.e., do you like eating spicy food? Yes, I do like eating spicy food. I am keen on hot Indian dishes, one in particular is vindaloo.
Practice speaking in the weeks leading up to the exam so as to sound natural during the speaking test, and do not use new expressions or grammar structures the day of the exam. Stick to what you know and are comfortable with. I am speaking quickly on purpose. This is to get you used to native speakers. Please repeat the lesson. You will find the text and its translation underneath. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.